Hello guys! That's Musaid spending some money. Hi Sanjay. Same. Let's go. Where we don't know yet.
Yes, where? Tell me, where are we going?
Bachelorette. Shreya, where's the Bachelorette sash? Should we put? Yeah.
What do you think? Will Riya be surprised or she's expecting?
I think she's expecting, but she'll be still surprised.
Shreya has told her everything.
No,
I know.
ফুলনি মানে বাগিচা.
Yes. And we got 4 chrysanthemums.
আৰু চাওঁ কি কিনিছা? বিয়াৰ বজাৰ এটাও শেষ হোৱা নাই.
अरे आपने क्यों बताया था?
সেইবোৰ BTS the joystick position.
Hi guys!
We've entered Meghalaya now.
Yes.
1 hour to go.
1 hour to go.
Here is the
Where are
bride.
we going?
Hi bride.
We don't know where we are going.
Only Riya doesn't know where we are
We
going.
all know where we're going.
So
Shreya, did you
But San-
tell Riya?
Sanjay
or
has
not?
sus-
Oh,
No.
Sanjay thinks you
have
told
all
Riya
exposed
everything.
No, I've not. I just told her
Don't
we're
lie.
going somewhere for a picnic. That's all. Yeah, I also have. I've tried asking her a lot. Please tell me, but she hasn't.
Okay.
We trust both of them. So.
She's just told me that just don't try to pry too much
true. Best.
and just go with whatever everyone comes.
Go with the flow.
So far, so good.
So far, very good.
Woo!
I'm almost done. Little buzz is happening.
Now tell me how much you love Pankaj.
Honestly,
How much you love?
What?
Scale of-
Suddenly, what? Okay, so I was so not prepared for this
What
question.
do you think? Why do you think we got you here? We have to. We got you here
Ambuj is waiting at the location.
No,
Proposal to go.
She'll
I
fail.
really won't
Time
be
she'll
able
have
to
one more
handle.
injury now.
Huh?
One
I
injury.
will not be able to handle.
Another injury incoming. Agar she says Ambuj now says.
Yes.
We can't even
But what if
tell you.
Ambuj is there? Kiyo. What
Huh?
would happen if Ambuj is there?
Oh my god, I would lose my mind if Ambuj is there.
Do you want him to be there or you don't want him to be there?
I would always want him to be everywhere, but that's not possible. Yeah. Oh, that
The
is.
whole response.
Guys, we should under promise and over deliver. We are doing over promise and under
Actually.
No. I'm already having so much fun that because in all this time that I've been doing wedding planning and shopping and like today, like I don't have to do anything and I'm just sipping beer and chill.
Relax.
This is already the best day that I've had in a very long time.
Let's go. It's just a road trip. We're going to take.
Yeah, that works perfectly as long as I have a beer in my hand.
Woo! Cheers.
Cheers.
Get back.
सुरापान और फिर उसमें मेरे को इतना वो I was just trying it out.
तुम बहुत perfectionist हो इसीलिए तुम्हें मतलब एकदम
नहीं होना
perfect
चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए. It's not good for anyone. You don't end up doing anything.
Look out on the summer's day with eyes
Is it too mellow?
No, it's very nice.
shadows on the hills.
Sanjay doesn't know how to click photos. Guys. That was my trick. So that Shreya can take it.
Sanjay, please come. I'll go.
And then let's just cut the
I
cake.
don't know what to do. Just sit here like this.
Bus, that's all.
Be pretentious. Smile. We kept this bottle like hot. वरना फिर टूट जाता वो घास पी लेती पूरा भाई.
Okay, now let's cut the cake.
So pretty. Take a close up of that and then. Of course. Sorry.
Masumik.
Yes. My
know
phone
you
is
can
being
only
used as a
हाथ झोलिया से होने का लगी से.
No.
छोटा सा ऐसे है.
Okay.
यहाँ पे कुछ क्या है?
इमान
Latu?
Congratulations and celebrations.
Little bit is enough, whatever.
Vanilla chocolate chip.
Yum.
Where did you get the cake from?
Swaras, home baker.
These cupcakes.
Yes, cupcakes are too cute. Oh, so she only had option for 2 cupcakes and 5 cupcakes. Like, you must try.
Okay, review time.
Wow! Oh my god, it's like buttery and creamy and completely melting in your mouth. Should all have that.
And I love the your all 3 outfits are like so appropriate. Like
Yeah,
we
it's
we didn't get the
same
cue, bro. We are like black and white.
Yeah. Black and white. Boring.
Okay,
I'll cut the memo.
And I like to take a little bit of like the crunch. And then tarupad I want. Actually no, first the salami, then some sausage,
There's salami.
and like apples. And because it just gives
Oh
that
my
nice
God.
sweetness. Just bite it.
Wow. Let's do it. Wow. Pita bread.
And this gives a very tasty.
Then this. Then a salami. Then kebab. Then apple.
You want to take a grape, then that's up to you.
Okay.
अब ठंडा है तो so but
Wow. Oh my god.
Okay, my turn.
Oh my god.
it's actually a very simple thing. I mean, a meze better like honestly everything is fruit.
But then who else? I feel like কি করে আছে যেহেতু জ্যাকেট তো কিনতে করান বার উঠছে বার উঠা টাকা পিছে
अब प्लास्टिक हटाओ. हमारा ब्यूटीफुल चेहरा ढक रहा था. अबे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है पीछे से ऐसे सन किस ऐसे
पीछे से सन किस
शेयर टू एनका like full picnic appropriate outfit.
Yeah.
Like it's literally like
Well,
full picnic.
Shillong aesthetic.
Full ra.
You want to come here? No. Are your outfit he says?
I was saying your the checks no it's
yeah,
giving like
I
proper like picnic outfit.
Tablecloth.
It's called gingham. Oh my god.
Wait, what?
Gingham.
I heard-
Arunave, table garden. Oh my god, telling me gingham.
He was like, "Boss, man, I got my picnic course and we had the same clothes.
I see that.
I think the same.
That is
We
true.
had the same tablecloth and we had party loisilu.
You just have a vlog or
Okay, time for the next cake pieces. I think. Let's finish it off.
And then this will have for the cupcakes we can have for dessert.
Yeah. All
That's we have almost
Yeah, हमारा
finished all
setup हो
our-
गया है.
Yes. Starters are starting to end. Sorry.
Keep the.
Oh, stash is gone. The bright.
Yeah, it's like.
Keep it closer to you.
जम का पानी है.
Jum नहीं है, Zamzam है. But it's the same. Cheers. बाकी कोई
Think of the desi ones. They will accept for the chocolate. Love Juji.
Actually no, I love the background में ऐसे wine डाल रहे हो. It's looking really nice.
Yeah.
और तुम लोग का हाथ भी इतना अच्छा लग रहा है.
It's like chilling max bro.
Okay, okay.
Big location में आके.
Okay. Cheers, girls.
Cheers.
To Ria. And don't make that face again.
Yeah, actually from here the view is so nice. Like it's
Yeah.
you see the
Wow. Kau buat Belgrade ठोकाने से like से रे.
Taki.
Go. I think you can smell the.
Yeah, you can smell the meat out. And we get like free stuff and we get like VIP tables. When
Open,
we
open,
just
open.
don't have any reservations or anything, we just go to and then they would like yeah, they would just and we were like, what is happening? What the fuck?
Exactly what the fuck is this? Egg! Oh my god!
अपना यहाँ पर एग और आलू दोनों.
No? First, let me put eggs on the pot.
God bless you guys for
Speaking of egg,
Side and auntie, please.
speaking of
Besides
eggs,
mama.
Ria.
Eggs.
when's the first child coming?
Oh my god.
वो तो तुम लोग को भी पूछ सकते हैं हम लोग.
Yes. तुम लोग को 2 साल हो गए, कहाँ है बच्चा? हमको खिलाना है.
अभी हम will be that aunties.
Same time you come.
We want little kids. We want to play with them. Where are they?
Sanjay is the villain.
I'll give you. Wow!
मेरा पेट.
अच्छा.
I feel
Make about clothes.
Check the.
Hi.
Hello. Bright to be.
For you. Sanjay.